So in this Bet365 tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to place an NBA Coach of the Year award winner futures bet here on Bet365. So once you're into your Bet365 account, go to the bottom left, press on the home screen, then go to the top left and press on the NBA logo. Then this top bar right here where it says lines, props, bet, boost, etc. Slide this all the way to the right to where it says futures and press on futures. And where it says to win outright, go ahead and press on that. To get this drop down menu, and since we want to place a futures bet on the Coach of the Year award, go to where it says regular season awards and press on that. Then as you can tell, it says Rookie of the Year, keep scrolling to where it says Defensive Player of the Year, keep scrolling again to where it says Most Improved Player, keep scrolling. And hopefully the next one, yes, it says Coach of the Year. You can go ahead and view the odds for the Coach of the Year. So let's just say you wanted to place a futures bet on, let's just say, I don't know, Chris Finch. You can go ahead and press on Chris Finch, then go to the bottom left, press on set wager, and then once that is done, place your bet by pressing place bet in the bottom right side of your screen. So that's how you guys can place an NBA Coach of the Year. That's how you guys can place an NBA Coach of the Year winner futures bet here on Bet365. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.